Now you can see here the good example I told you, right? Municipal corporation and municipal council. Now you can see here the what are the difference between municipal corporation and municipal council. So you can see the municipal corporation and municipal council. So municipal corporations larger than municipal council, and municipal corporations looking after the welfare of the city people, and municipal corporation is looking is smaller than smaller than municipal corporation, and is looking for the town, smaller town. So you can see the municipal corporation is what kind of the works by the municipal corporation. You can see that so many different ward, they have a different uh, works they have to carry on the city, and to maintain the city. You can see the garbage collection ward. So here the these people's, the garbage collection, the garbage collection ward people who were taking care of the garbage collection and make sure the city clean. And here the you can see that water supply, that is also important. Then you can see that road, okay, road trans, okay, they making the road, you can see the road construction. They also the all these are taken care of the municipal corporation in the looking after in the cities. So this is municipal council's office. You can see that is smaller than the municipal corporation. Ta trin dus chene nganzu gi nyegi kharshu ni municipal corporation da municipal council ni gi phinji torti du shebe na. The municipal corporation the city na log da France city samanya ya de yorwa city ward loga yorwa France tinjung loga tinjung di wo lega ani city samanya da na shingi chuti de supply chiya da na shingi ta da na shin kharchu la langa suye da mimang gi de du mangbo sa langa suye da na shingi ta langai ne ta lopta ne menga suye ne ta da na shingi khangba tu de kyabe lopta da menga da tu kyabe tu changlo tu sama jinju sama municipal corporation the city na lo ya thongge na lo chi ta de municipal council ge ji ni municipal council di te mapassa la sto mapassa la de ta meso do wa ji user. Okay, the D council chiro the khare municipal corporation ne chunga che the town, smaller town thongdi chinju dinalo and pronounce lega the chigo chigo thongdi dinalo yogi ani kangi zamma suye ne de chu ne de menga ne lokte ne de langa ne suye sama ya hunju genki go tas. Okay, that is it. The next, now here you can see the ward councillor, third content of this chapter, the ward councillor and administrative staff. Ward councillor and administrative staff. First, here the decision like a park or the new hospital should go usually met by the ward councillor. City divided into different ward. The ward councillor get elected decision of affects entire city taken by group of councillor from the committees and decide the debate issue of the for problems within a ward. People can contact their councillors, councillor committee, and councillors decide on the issue. Commissioner and administrative staff implementing this. Commissioner and administrative staff appointed councillor are elected. Tangbo ward level na that's on the department chik count on the garbage collection ward la ne councillor chik. That administrative level kunju that the thosh the administrative ward the thoshe dojra kunju gi ward mangbu chik te you can that ring on to do small lo na hap hoye jire. Decision level na nganju thakju chi do nganju ge tapak la ne kiran sa guro pak la na anju ge meto tumla da anju de yo city na lo le ko ba jep sa de to pak chimbu de o de ani menga che ta du sam su ge di chi guro su ge du sam lo ward du councillor du sam ward councillor lot councillor mang ward level na semba chi gro semba mangbu nyim do do bai na ward councillors la ta punchu ward councillor pe mangbu chinyam do dom ni kunju gi elected decision kunju nyam do ti chi gore councillor di ward level na garbage collection ward ta na shingi water supply ta na shi hospital ta nganju gi dine gi ward pe mangbu la de che mangbu chinyam do dom ni kunju committee jin so de chi so ba chi form chi gore so ba di quran ju khari chi go debate chi go ta debate la na kunju gi drilling chi go drilling khari chi go na kangi thi ko ward ching na lo kangi khar thi do ta pen garbage collection na kheni pe mangu do city na lo kheni de khande khande che go do an konju committee di konju thak chu che ne ani sam khawal issue the khawal ki commissioner konju commission di administrative ta jenjung na ki jenjung ge ta du chang lo ki ani councilor chi elect che ne du samasya thapshi tangre ta di thame thau ju su chi ge jenjung chi ge ward level ng arans din do tang arans I will give you a very good example ni kran zule ludus anzu penesha sha da anzu ge din de do jire anzu ge ta anzu lobda do cha shena ta anzu mangbo yo ra lobda jigli cha sha we anzu lobda na la khare yore ta 당하는 신기 이어봐 로벤들 쯤제 땅아주 쯤에 기계여라 당하는 시 벤주 기계여라 당하는 신기계 로가 컴퓨터 기라여봐 like ngandu gigi mangbuji ta gigi mangbuji wa loga computer de senjikche dana shingi she da no lu she da yora da she de senjikche dana shingi ngaro de sen khari ore lu she ta she dan se de she lu she de senjikche dana shingi penju ge de sen de jen du changmo gange loga gigi changmo gange loga yora du changmo nyamdo dombe na ta example te wor da adina do samanyamdo nombe kan ward councilor lagotas kun sam councilor chikchu councilor changma elected changma ya domni kun group chikchu ni kun committee chagotas do sama computer gege dana shingi shegela dana shingi penju gela dana shingi jizo gela chuseri gela tene gigin samanyamdo domni any committee chikchu ni any kun committee di sam debate chire tangala ward chigi to konan ju di chin ngarang penju gingen kangi ditu ani penju nalo bu nyu ligi tula computer gingen ta konju ni ju sangmalo da di ni ju sangmalo da jik debate che sangmalo jik ni ju sangma di ta issue commissioner andi gi sangma di decide di sangma issue commissioner gi di che ni da sangma konju khawal administrative staff ki ta di khal langlen ta che do commissioner di kunzu councilor ji election kunzu gi tadina log magic election ni wo di nyokta de masiye che tu chi das okay ta wo di che next to end la okay ta din second din the all ward councilor make the budget the money is spent according to this ward councillor try to ensure that the particular demand of their ward are placed before the entire council. Decisions are implemented by administrative staff. Work in the city is divided into different departments: water department, garbage collection department to look after the gardens, another look after the road, garbage lying all over the street of uncollected, attack dog, rat and fly people of the gets ill from the smell. Tanibadina get a Karashigos and Manzu, all ward councillor level, councillor in the Gilaswa, the councillor does your take department does that, Lowa watch that department of Galak Kato, garbage councillor department of the water supply, department road, road, okay, road construction, road transportation. All this what do some budget your budget and pesha di khawala spend chudu khande to son tang good ward councilor pesha di susu particular susu demand kunju demand chira demand lana manju di erge tang good ngat pen garbage collection la ngaju kheni di digis la ngaju kheni changma suel pesha digis to son tang good pen change water supply ngaju chu supply chel digis road transportation ngaju chu digis supply chel digis ngaju city nan de ta thama di su gi thakju chiges administrative jinjungi lega chi ta jinjungi thakju chigri thakju khande chiges na department du changmagi the pension garbage collection department ta na shingi looking garden ta wo du changma da du changmagi ta kanget samu su chiges na administrative staff sigil das okay mondi okay ward councillor now ward councillor. First, the ward councillor are responsible for the construction of the hospital. Second, they are elected by people living in that ward area. Third, the group of councillors make the decision policy making. Fourth, committee of ward councillor looking after the water, garbage collection and street light. Tangadu dinal ward councillor leshtowa ward councillor ngadu department chik din construction of hospital. Korang kita mengang suwe desen mengang ta mimang mengang gi desen ta mengang suwe desen chik chemba chik che ta korang gi mengang the ward councillor du samle ward councillor chik councillor mangbu chik nyam do don korang ju ta mengang suwe che ta di khunzu gi ward councillor la di khuran they are elected ward councillor di khuran area susu lung susu saja yorwa pen cha sha ben susu area la susu gi shija ani shija khung la khung di susu gi tangor da councillor ward di councillor chik the group of councillors yorwa the group councillor ward the group of councillor and the councillor ward chik na garbage collection ge head chik yorwa the nation water supply head road pan transportation head loga kunzu sangman nyam do dom ne kunzu khar sus ne policy sudas policy and situ sudas policy segres the nation ki committee of ward councillor committee ne chopa la chopa councillor di chopa the kunzu mi gi chot khare ani chu kangya ma the the nation ki kini chamos straight light du ta to che kunzu mi gi chot da ward councillor okay ta di de sha ya